I'm Danielle Scow, your Pampered Chef consultant. And I am so excited about today's video because I'm going to feature my most favorite Pampered Chef tool. When you look at this tool in the catalog, it does not do it justice. I am featuring the salad choppers. Do not be deceived by the name because they chop so much more than salad. And that's why I love taking these to my live cooking shows so that people can see firsthand that they do so much more than salad. So I have a whole bunch of stuff for you to look at how good these salad choppers work in action. So first they have a safety on them because these are sharp. So when you're not using them, they stay closed. So you unlock it, and you're going to hold them with your fingers in like this and your thumb over here upside down. So let's start right here. My family loves tacos, but I hate buying that shredded taco lettuce because you can use it one time and then it goes bad. So this way you can have any type of lettuce, any head of lettuce, and you can shred it as thin as you want. So this is cut to be like for a salad, right? But if you want it like tacos, you just stick your salad choppers in there, and you can shred it as small as you want. Next, cabbage. Cabbage is hard to get small, and you want to use it for your chow mein. Check it out. Look how quickly it shreds this cabbage. And you can keep going to make it as small as you want. Okay, we're moving on. So there's our cabbage. Who has little ones in their house and has to have every little thing cut up so they don't choke? So you've got toddlers in your house? Well, here is a plate of my daughter's meatballs. She can't eat a whole meatball, so I use these to cut up all of her food. Doesn't matter what it is, just go over to her plate, slice, slice, slice. Need them smaller? Just slice again. Now they are in little bite-sized, toddler, safe, ready to eat. All right, moving on. Next, pasta. Again, got a toddler in the house, can't eat these big, long ribbons of pasta. You don't like eating these big, long noodles because you don't want to slurp them up all over your face. Take your salad choppers, and now you're able to cut your noodles as small as you want them. Okay, now on to my favorite. These should not, often everyone says they shouldn't be called the salad choppers. They should be called the chicken choppers, and this is why. You can shred your chicken in seconds. No more having to dice them super small, taking forever for enchiladas. You can shred them little, you can shred them big, however you want it. So here's my chicken, and I'm just gonna take my choppers in here. Look at that. If I want them in bigger chunks, then I just leave them bigger. Or if I want them smaller, you just keep shredding. You can get it to whatever size you want your chicken to be. Look at how much time this saves. What? Like for reals, this tool is a game changer in anyone's kitchen. Look how easy that is. And then here's the best part. They're dishwasher safe. So you can just throw them in the dishwasher and they're ready for your next use. And they have a lifetime warranty. So you don't ever have to worry. If they break, Pampered Chef will replace them. I love these. I know you will love these too. They chop anything and everything and save so much time in your kitchen. So if you're interested in purchasing these salad choppers to have in your home, there is a link below that you can order from. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting videos all the time of the wonderful ways that you can use Pampered Chef in your house, like these amazing salad choppers. See you next time.